Wow. I mean, look at this. This is JT from JT's Awesome Stuff, and today we're doing Nature is Awesome Part 2 from Botanical Gardens. This is my friend Carter who's going to help me. Yeah. Let's go. I'm at Botanical Gardens, and just imagine having that house right behind Botanical Gardens.
And it's big too.
Yeah, true.
Mom, you need to sell that house.
Wow. I mean, just imagine growing all of this in one huge, gigantic day. I mean, it's crazy.
Oh, it's the Gumbanelia.
Yeah, Gumbanelia. Carter, what's the favorite thing you've seen so far?
Probably the Wait, let me go back to my photos. I forgot what it's called already.
Everything's digital now. Wasn't it like the blue onion or something?
No, it was like something purple.
Well,
Purple New Zealand bird.
okay, don't know what that is, but
It was the purple New Zealand bird.
wow. Okay, this is awesome.
It's the cranebill. And
I'm-
seven sunflower.
Let me see that. Huh. Well, right now I'm kind of on a
Colorado blue spur.
on a field trip right now. Hey, look, that's our state tree.
You gonna upload that to YouTube?
Yeah, yes, I am. I'm actually on a school field trip right now. It's pretty great. Oh. Oh, jeez. Hey, Carter, did you hold this real quick? Yeah, sure. Film stuff. What are you doing? Wow, this is awesome. What's this? What's this? I don't know. Oh, it's a board with writing on it. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's pretty cool. Yo, we should go this way.
Yeah.
Ethan, guys, we should go this way. Ryan, come on. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is awesome. Isn't that right, Carter? What was that? You call that a dab, son? That's not a dab. That's horrible.
Ooh, Asian wild apple.
Let me see that. Asian wild apple and the creeping willow.
A Salix repens SSP Ariana.
Oh, geez, this is pretty. Wow, this is pretty. Pretty.
Two clematis.
The tube
Pinyon pine.
pinyon pine.
Oh, we have to find the Veronica plant. Remember when we came? It was right at the entrance. We're going this way, Ryan.
There's a castle plate. There's a castle plate.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's your
Oh, huh?
I'm gonna stay up and play video games all night. Okay, you do that. What? That's a chasm.
Oh my God. Oh.
The tree grew right through the rock, yeah.
That's a Mexican wine cup.
Grass. There's just grass here. Grass everywhere.
Long-leaved beer
You
breeds.
guys usually eat around 11:30.
Well, I guess that's it for now. Thank you, Carter, for... Hey, Carter! Carter! Thanks for being here.
Yep.
That dervish smile. So long from JT's Awesome Stuff.
Shut up. Oh.
Come on, you didn't press the end button, man. Press the end button.
Do the intro again.